a way to download some of the videos or some of the images you come across on Instagram. Not even Instagram alone. Maybe you've been frustrated downloading a video you found on Facebook. Now guys, in this video, I'll be walking you through a simple step to download any image, any video you found on any of these two platforms. Now guys, which tool are we going to use to do this? I'll be taking you to a website that will help you achieve this particular objective. Now guys, what you want to do is on your browser URL bar, type in Snapp Save, then search for it. So once you get there, you want to open the Snapp Save like this and leave it opened. Once it opens, leave it opened. Now go to your Facebook or your Instagram. Now let me begin with the Instagram. Now let's say I'm finding this particular video now interesting. Let's say I want to download it. Then you click on these three buttons. Then it brings out some options. Then you should be able to copy the link. Okay, this is actually refreshing. Let me look for another video, another short video that I can use. Okay, this is stories. Close. Okay, let me make use of this particular video. Okay, now you click on it this way. Once it opens up, we want to copy the link. So now you go back to the website that we opened the other time, then you paste the link this way, then click on the download. So once it's done downloading, it will give you different options to download. Now the particular image or the particular video I chose has different types of videos in it. It's a carousel post. So for this reason, this website is going to generate all the videos and all the images attached to that particular post. Then you can, with your own discretion, download whichever one you want. As you can see, the download button, look at the download button. So these are the carousel posts. Now I'll go ahead just downloading this first one just to show you. Now once you click on it like this, it pops up and add, then you close it. It's already downloading, as you can see here. Now once it's done downloading, then you want to click on it to see. Let's see how it goes. Now this is it guys, as you can see it here. This is it. So now guys, let's go back and try the same thing with Facebook. Okay, let's go to Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. This is Facebook. Now let me close this. Okay, let me go back and just close this. Okay, now guys, this is a post here. I won't be using that. Let me use this image. Now you click on these three dots. Now once you click on it, it opens up this way. Then what you want to do is find the link. Find the link. Okay, we're actually finding this difficult to find the link. Now we can actually get the link from, okay, is this an ad? This is not an ad. Okay, let's try another post. Let's see this. Click on this. Let it just load up. So as you can see, we find the link to be copied here. So just copy the link like this, then follow that same process. This is it. Then you want to refresh this website so you can have that first page that gives you an option to paste the URL. Now this is it guys. Paste the URL this way, then click on download again. So before you know it, now it's going to pop up that particular video and you get the option to download it straight up. So guys, this is it. This is the particular video in different video formats. You have it in, you can download it in 720 pixel, you can download it in 360, but I'll be going with the 720 pixel. So click on the download button, then it begins downloading automatically. As you can see it here, it's downloading already. So guys, like I've promised, and I hope I've been able to achieve my promise, I've been able to fulfill my promise. Now that is the simple step-by-step process you can use to download any video, any images that you found on on Instagram or Facebook. So guys, with that, I've come to the end of this video. I remain 𝗧𝗛𝗓 Daniel. Do have a great time. Bye.